Hello everybody! How did I turn this into this at no cost? Simple. I took an old DVD rack, disassembled it, cut it, and voila! It would be better to use a metal rack, but for DVDs with wider slots, I have only plastic. I will also use this one. I don't know the purpose of it with even wider slots. Just bend the legs so they don't cut the liner. Wider tools here. Different types of pliers. Those sit in wider DVD size slots. Small pliers fit into CD's rack slots. Speaking about wire racks, I use this tie hanger to store grease tubes in my garage. Hope this will help you to tidy up your tool chest.